My dear students, in this video we have to discuss pharmaceutical chemistry about introduction of pharmaceutical chemistry D pharmacy part 2. Pharmaceutical chemistry is the chemistry of substances used in medicine. So in medicine field, generally the pharmaceutical chemistry is more advanced techniques are used. In other words, it is the chemistry of drugs. So this meaning of drugs is very important in pharmaceutical chemistry. So drugs are used in medicine to treat illness, to protect against diseases or improve the health. Pharmaceutical chemistry includes the main branches of chemistry. So here we have the chemistry branches like physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and radio chemistry. So my dear students, here the pharmaceutical chemistry is one of the important part of the chemistry. So medicinal chemistry is concerned with the determination of structures and the synthesis of isolation of compounds which may be used in medicine. So it involves the study of the metabolism and mechanism of the actions of drugs. So here all the physiological process, so there may be metabolism and mechanism of action, so it may be depends upon the drugs. So these drugs are produced by the pharmaceutical industries. So it is also involves in the relationship between the structures of medicinal compounds and their biological activities. So these are very important for the life process of all the types of the organisms. The drugs of an organic nature are only discussed here. Nowadays, the term organic chemistry is defined as the chemistry of carbon compounds. So here the main point in the carbon compounds only in the organic chemistry. The carbon is the backbone of all the types of the organic compounds. The carbon has the ability to bond successively to the other carbon atoms to form chains of varying lengths and shapes. This property of carbon is called catenation. So catenation is a very important property of the carbon atom, which can be helps to or ability to bond successively to the other carbon atoms to form different types of the carbon compounds. So that property is called catenation, and it is responsible for the large number of variety of organic compounds. For this nature of the carbon, so the large number of and variety of organic compounds can be formed. So here all the organic compounds obey the same fundamental laws of chemistry that are applicable to the inorganic compounds. There are marked differences between the composition, structure and behavior of organic and inorganic compounds also. So depending upon the nature of the carbon in the different branches of chemistry, so which are composition, structure and behavior of organic compounds. So here The carbon compounds have the more organic compounds based, or nowadays there is about 30,000 new compounds are reported every year in the chemical field or in the chemistry. The great majority of the today's new basic drugs consisting of organic chemical compounds. So here all the types of the drugs can be having the basic component is organic chemicals. That organic drugs may be of natural or synthetic origin. So here all the types of drugs may be natural occurring or synthetically prepared compounds. Some vitamins, glycosides, hormones and alkaloids are used as drugs. So these drugs are generally obtained from the natural sources also. In the modern times, more and more of synthetic and organic chemicals are used as a drugs. So here all the types of drugs may be obtained from natural sources like plant sources or animal sources, and in the modern times they may be more and more synthetically, means laboratory applicable drugs are there. It may be organic chemicals are used to preparation of drugs. So here all the organic substances are used as a drugs. So basically the drugs having the organic substances, that organic substances maybe have a carbon compounds. The nomenclature of the drugs, their general properties, storage conditions, dosage regions and uses of are discussed in the pharmaceutical chemistry. The study of organic substances that are officially mainly in the Indian Pharmacopoeia is one of the important official organization. So it has to discuss in the all the importance of pharmaceutical drugs. The word official normally denotes that which is official in the Indian Pharmacopoeia as well as British Pharmacopoeia or United States Pharmacopoeia, and if any other authorized books also available in the study of pharmaceutical chemistry. So all the important organic compounds which are commonly used in pharmacy that deals with the study of varieties of drugs and medicines and their applicables in the medicine field, so which are important in the study of the pharma part 2. So my dear students, so this is about the introduction about your one of the important subject, that is pharma chemistry. Okay.